Hi, and welcome. This screencast will show you how to modify styles in MS Word. So, styles is a really great feature that you can use to control the fonts, colors, and formatting of your document. And you can also use it to get a more professional look and try out different looks with the click of a button. So the first thing we're going to do here is go to Word. And any Word will do from 2011 to 2016. They all have the same features. So once we go to Word, we'll pick out any document that has any type of text. So how does it work? We select the line of text here, and we can hover over the styles to see the preview of how it's going to look like once we choose that style. So here I'm using the line of text from the title. So why don't we go ahead and choose title? And this is what it comes out as title. Yep. And if you want more features from styles, you can click this drop down arrow right here and it'll give you all the previews of styles, all the list of them. Another great feature from styles is that you can modify it to give it a new look and a new feel however you want. So how we do that is by right clicking the title, and then you choose modify. And once you choose modify, it allows you to rewrite a new title. And here we're gonna write it as Panda, just so we can remember it. Panda. And you can also change the font and the sizing of this of the style. And here it was 28. We're gonna change it to 26. Just a little bit smaller. And once you're done changing it in every single way you want, you click OK. And it not only changes the whole formatting of the styles, but it also appears at the icon up below, above. So here we named it as Panda. So Panda appears here, so you can use it whenever you want in all of your text. So we can even use it for this bibliography here. So we go over here to Panda, and it'll change it right away to Panda. And you can also modify styles by going to this drop down arrow right here and clicking it. That's just another way, a second way of modifying it. That's a more complicated way. So you can clear all these things from here. Once you clear it, it will clear all the options you have here, and it will allow you to create a new style for your own. And you can do that by going to this little icon right here, new styles, and then you click it, and right away it'll bring you back to the same modification as we were in before. Once you're done modifying it any way you want, you click OK, and it will appear at the top right here. So let's change that again into a different name. Let's say Lion now. Let's choose Lion as the title. And why don't we go ahead and change it to Broadway and make the font 22. And automatically it's going to change it to 22. See right here we have Lion, and the bibliography has changed to the new font and the new sizing. So it's really amazing how easy it is to change an entire look of your document, which is a click of a button. So why don't you guys try that out, experiment with the styles to find out what you like, and if you don't like what you see, you can create your own. Thank you very much.